Para dried tomato.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. I was making dancing.
Okay, okay.
Merve, keskidu. Itse.
Good call.
Ha?
Good call. Tiina, 681. Rautapöytä.
When no go da?
Lunch table.
Tomorrow?
Today,
How many? 600? It's too much. Maybe tomorrow.
Summer is not starting and crazy.
Maybe some other day it will more getting more customer, right? Some other day customer come.
Yes. Yes. I am holiday
Yeah,
all
and then-
summer.
and then
all
you-
summer.
And then you don't care.
Yes.
Right?
Crazy people.
Very smart Merve. Having a summer.
You can do my job.
No.
Yes, yes.
I will tell
Money.
I will tell the boss I am sick.
Money.
Very smart. China man. Keskidu itse.
Yes, you do.
Merve, what was the name of the richest man here in Finland? Richest man in the Finland. Do you know the name?
I don't know anybody.
Why? Really? You don't know?
No.
Are you sure? I don't think so.
I don't
Naya was
care.
just laughing at you. Naya, do you have any idea who was the richest man here at Finland? You don't have any idea?
We don't care who's the richest.
No. What I mean is based on the news or something like you don't have any update? No, I'm not. Because in our country, we all know who was the richest man in our country. Maybe you have the same thing too.
No.
Why I'm asking. Maybe Merve was the richest.
Kikkeli.
Coffee? What the?
Teeni. tehtäis? Sun pitää jatkaa.
Sikapestis.
Mitäs tää?
Mansikka.
Mitä maa?